Dear students, this is Praveen Agrawal from BB Department, RIMT Chandausi. Today we are going to start unit number 2 of Operations Research. This is about the concept of the linear programming. Before going through this topic, we will discuss about the concept of linear programming. First of all, we have to understand that what is the meaning of the linear programming. Then we will move towards the next, that is the linear programming problem formulation. But before it, we have to understand the topic linear programming. As we are looking here, that the word linear programming is made of two words. The first is linear and second one is programming. Linear. When we are talking about the relation between the variables, then two types of relations are there. Linear and non-linear. Linear मतलब when two variables or more than two variables are related to each other in a linear way, then this relation is known as the linear relation. Means with the help, when we draw this particular function on the graph, we have a line pattern of the graph. That's why it is known as the linear. Okay, so here we have that the word linear refers to linear relationship among variables in a model. Okay, it means a given change in one variable will always cause a resulting proportional change in another variable. Means if there is a change in one variable, then the other variable will also change according to the change in one variable, because the variables are related with each other. Okay, dependent variables and independent variables. The one variable is dependent variable and rest of the variables are independent variables. Okay, so this is the word linear. Second, we are moving toward the word programming. What is the meaning of programming? Programming refers to mathematical modeling and solving of a problem that involves the economic allocation of limited resources by choosing a particular strategy among various alternative strategies in order to achieve the desired objective. So what we are having here, let us make it clear. What we are having a particular objective, and this objective is to be achieved with the help of the limited resources. These limited resources are allocated. Allocation is very important. These limited resources are allocated among among desired objective, these limited resources are allocated among different uses in such a way so as to maximize or minimize the given objective. So when we are doing so, we are making a mathematical model. So when this mathematical model is formulated, this is known as programming. Okay, so mathematical modeling formulation is known as programming, and linear relationship among variable is known as the denote to the word linear. When we combine these two, we get the definition of linear programming, and this definition is: linear programming is a mathematical technique useful for allocation of scarce or limited resources to several competing activities on the basis of a given criteria of optimality. Because we are having a criteria of optimality. Optimality means either maximization or minimization. Just like profit is to be maximized, revenue is to be maximized, cost is to be minimized. Okay, so what we are doing, we are formulating a mathematical model for the allocation of scarce or limited resources, with the help of which the desired objective is to be achieved by competing several activities. This is known as linear programming. So we are very clear with the word linear programming. Next, how this mathematical model is formulated. So here we are having the general mathematical model of linear programming problem. Following points are to be considered while formulating the LP model. The first one is identification of decision variable and input data. The second one is formulation of constraint. Third one is objective function. So we have our concentration over 3 points. The first one is decision variables. That is very important. We have to identify the decision variable around which the value is to be achieved. Second one is constraints. Constraint means the resources are limited. That becomes the constraint for the organization. And third one is objective function. What is the objective which is to be achieved? That is very important. Okay. Now suppose there are n number of decision variables and m number of constraints available to the organization. Suppose the value of decision variables is equal to x1, x2 up to dash xn. Let objective function is optimize. We are discussing every time that the purpose of organization is to optimize its objective. Optimize means either maximize or minimize. It is depending upon the function which is used by the organization. If it is profit, it is to be maximized. If it is revenue, it is to be maximized. If it is cost, it is to be minimized. If it is time, then it is to be minimized. Okay. Z is equal to C1 x1 plus C2 x2 plus up to dash Cn xn. C1, C2 up to dash Cn is the value of coefficients of variable x1, x2 up to dash xn. Clear? And the third one is subject to constraints. It is in the form of equations. And they are representing the linear relationship. What is a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus up to dash a1n xn. Either the sign will be less than equal to or greater than equal to, and the value is suppose b1. Okay. a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus up to dash a2n xn. Either the sign less than equal to or greater than equal to b2. Expand it. Then after expansion we have am1, m number of constraints, x1, am2 x2 up to dash amn xn. Same here, less than equal to or more than equal to bm, where x1 x2 up to dash xn must be greater than or equal to 0. Means the values of the decision variables must be positive. That is very important. The values of these decision variables must be positive. Negative values must not be considered by you. So it is clear to all of you. I am repeating again. LB model formulation requires 3 things. That is very considered: decision variables, constraints, objective function. Clear to all of you? In the next lecture, we will discuss some of the examples of the linear programming problems. Thank you.